Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix and some of the applications pre-installed. Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix is a community-driven, featuring Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop with Ubuntu at the core, packed fast and full of features. Keeping stability, speed, and elegance as his top priority. Cinnamon takes the more traditional approach of a GNOME to a Mate-like desktop environment. Similar to Windows 7, it is easy to transition from a Windows system to Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix. With Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix, you get the traditional default Cinnamon desktop along with most GNOME desktop applications. The LibreOffice suite also comes pre-installed. Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix yields and operates software packages from Ubuntu repository. Ubuntu repository mirrors are spread worldwide. Hence, make the updates faster, easier and stable. The initial release of Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix was in 2019. Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix uses systemd as is init software and supports Btrfs, X3, X4, JFS, RiserFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix uses Snap. Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix includes version 5.11.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix are Firefox, Thunderbird, Celluloid, GIMP and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.